Hey everybody, Tim here to review on the Ferrari 308. This is the world class version. This is a premier car. I remember I got this loose at a garage sale. It's in good shape. It does have a little bit of rubbing off on the wheels here. Like this one's completely rubbed off. Some of the wheels on this are like totally rubbed off. Like this one, there's no paint on it left. And this one, there's nothing left on the bottom. But other than that, the car's in okay shape. It does have some chipping and some wear, like typical, indicative of many of the garage sale cars I've gotten in the past, but it's a Ferrari 308. It is a Premier world-class model, so it's from the Premier series. It's got real rider tires, so it's pretty cool. It's really, really nice. It's got like nice springs on it too. It's pretty cool. I really like that about this car. It's got spring action. Overall, it's a really nice model. As it says, this world class on the bottom here. It's got some wear overall, like Ferrari 308 GTB. It's got here. Altogether, not too bad of a casting. Not too bad of a casting. And that's gonna be my review today for the what's it called? Ferrari 308 GTB.